How to know the file size of your photo or video on iPhone running on iOS 26. This can be easily accessed using the photo option. Tap on the photo icon. Now locate whatever photo, whatever video you want to access from this place. Let's use this photo. Tap on it. Now just swap up like this. Doing that, guys, you have access to different things here. One, the day the picture was made or was taken, you have it here. It was taken June 4th, 2025. Then the name of that particular device or picture, you have it here. Not only that, guys, the size of that picture, you have it here. Then you can tap on this button to adjust all this. You can change the date, you can change any other thing, location on that. So guys, this is the simple process on how to know the details of any particular file on your device running on iOS 26. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.